Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're back at Spotify Camp Nou with another construction update as work continues across multiple sections of the stadium. These updates aim to give you a clear view of progress on one of the most ambitious stadium rebuilds in Europe. If you enjoy these updates, make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. We start today at the South Goal, where progress is becoming more defined with each update. New louver support brackets have been installed across all main levels, marking a significant step forward. The previously missing upper support is now in place, completing the vertical line from top to bottom. Crews are working from elevated platforms, carefully aligning and securing each bracket directly to the structural columns. Moving toward the south corner, louver installation shows clear advancement. Several new panels have been added, and lifting platforms remain active. Due to the sharp diagonal angle of this corner, tension cables are used to maintain precise alignment. Additional louver panels are staged nearby, so this corner is expected to continue filling in steadily over the coming days. Along the lateral side, visible structural changes are now apparent. The previously cut concrete wall has been fully removed, leaving the area open. A crane continues operating, assisting with structural element relocation and material movement. Lower facade sections beneath the false ceiling are being methodically fitted with panels, while upper areas remain in preparation, with gaps indicating where future vertical columns will be installed. If you enjoy these updates, make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. At the parking ramp, formwork panels have been removed along retaining walls, and the ramp structure and surrounding walls are fully concreted, confirming structural completion. A concrete pump remains, likely for minor adjustments, but visually, the ramp is now complete. At the north goal, preparation work continues steadily. Connection plates are installed on steel brackets, signaling that louver supports will be added next. Elevated platforms remain active, with crews securing components along internal beams. At ground level, prefabricated seating units are arriving via multiple trailers for the third tier. At the Tribuna, work focuses on interior development. Insulation layers have been installed behind the facade, and drywall panels are being mounted over them. Several compression ring pillars remain in different stages of formwork, showing ongoing structural work above. Escalators are installed, awaiting handrails, while prefabricated stairs and seating components are staged for upcoming installation phases. Finally, in the diamond area, surface finishing is visible. Newly painted black surfaces cover large sections, providing a preview of the final appearance. Previously stored materials have been cleared, opening the area for finishing operations. Some structural columns remain in formwork, indicating recent concrete pours are curing before final finishes begin. That wraps up today's construction update from Spotify Camp Nou. Even if some changes seem gradual, work continues steadily across the stadium. If you enjoyed today's update and want to follow Camp Nou's full transformation, make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. Your support allows us to continue bringing detailed, consistent coverage from the site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another fresh update from Spotify Camp Nou.